Let's go ahead and take a look at our starting lineups for head coach Nigel Connor and Anguilla in goal. The starting lineups for Haiti and head coach Raul. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and we are afoot here in, had me jump out of my chair. The talent is unreal. Here's the captain with a cross and a shot right at the keeper. The shot by number 18, Nikolai Pierre. Keep watching for that, because the more opportunities you get in the attacking third, there's a black from number 17. 14,000. I think that's the smallest population of this stadium after him for all of his years of service. Into the box, here comes Haiti, and Celestin, he takes a shot and scores! Haiti up 1-0, 9th minute. Got that 10 jersey on for a reason. Franco Celestin with an absolute blast from about 2 yards from Haiti. And the ball through the arms of the goalkeeper and tried to bend. Blocked. Fabulous takes that right-footed shot, and side right here, Curacao, as Celestin one more time goes to the byline, creating problems, and there's a right-footed shot, the half volley finish, gorgeous by number 20, Will LeConte, a laser from LeConte. th minute, Haiti leads 2-0. And Haiti does a good job. Thought that was an offside call. Oh, wow. But it wasn't. A wide right for number 8. Left flank on it for Haiti. Number 7 into the box. And I believe that is Joseph on the other side. There's a left-footed shot. Oh, didn't miss by much. Trying to bend it in with the left foot. 36th minute. There's a blast. Well done. Cleared outside the 18. There's a right-footed shot just over the crossbar from, looks like to be Miguel Joseph, I think. No, forgive me, that's Mr. Fabulous. There's Miguel. And that is your first half whistle and your score here in Curacao. It's